spacious and a very big living area. Kitchen, wow. Look at it, it's super. This is the master bedroom, which is super spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at Oceanus White Meadows by the Builders Oceanus Group, which is located in Bannerghatta, Anjanapura, 80ft Road. Before we get to know a lot about the project, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform where you go for an inquiry or number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of calls. Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. So let's talk about the project overview. The entire project is built on a land parcel of 1.5 acres with one tower, and the available stories are 1 basement, 1 ground and 12 floors, and the available variants are 2 BHK and 3 BHK. Now let's talk about the connectivity. Nice Ring Road is just 600 meters away from this project. Bannerghatta Main Road is 1.7 kilometers away, and D-Mart is just 1.7 kilometers away from this project. And let's talk about the amenities. This project has many amenities such as a clubhouse, gymnasium, party hall, kids play area, kids swimming pool, big swimming pool and many more. Hello everyone, right now we are in front of the 3 BHK sample flat called the Oceanus White Meadows by the Oceanus Group. So yes, let's check the house. Before that you can check, we have a storage unit for the shoes and slippers. So right outside the house, and as you enter inside you can see this amazing beautiful big mirror with a table where you can place your showcase items, and as you come forward you can see this Buddha, which gives a very pleasant vibe. And now as you enter you can see the spacious and a very big living area. So this is the living area. You can see sofa on my left side and television unit on the right side, as well as there's a big window with the French sliding door for ventilation. Look at the interiors, wow, it's really amazing. And now let's check at the dining area. So this is the dining area. Again, look at the interiors, it's really amazing. I like this white finish and the table is amazing. And over there you have storage spaces for storing your things. And here near the dining area, now let's look at the balcony which is near the dining area. So this is the balcony. It's super spacious. So you can customize it and decorate it the way you want. So it looks really fabulous. And now it's time to check at the kitchen. So yes, let's have a look at the kitchen. Wow, look at it, it's super spacious and I really love this modular kitchen. The color combination is really amazing. Many storage units are provided for storing your things, and here you have this small space for your utility purpose. Again, a big storage unit and window as well for ventilation. It's super big and spacious. Now let's look at the common bathroom in this 3 BHK flat called Oceanus White Meadows. So this is the common bathroom. Before you head to the common bathroom, you can see here we have the wash basin area. Look at this design, it's fantastic. And even you have a storage space over here and a very big mirror. I really love this design. And now let's look at the bathroom. This is the bathroom, common bathroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipment, as well with window for ventilation. Again, this is super spacious. And now it's time to look at the first bedroom in this 3 BHK flat. So this is the first bedroom. So this can be used as the kids' bedroom. So this is the bed, and on the right side of the bed you can see the wardrobe. And right in front of the bed they've given a storage space with a very cool design. I really love this semicircle shelf. It's really good. So yes, this is the balcony with French sliding door. This is very long and spacious. Very much spacious. You can customize it the way you want, and look at the view, it's really beautiful. So yes, this is the first bedroom in this 3 BHK flat. The interiors are also amazing. And now let's look at the second bedroom in this 3 BHK flat. So it's on my right side. So this is the second bedroom. Very spacious. So there's a bed here and big window for ventilation, and also a lot of storage spaces, as you can see, which you can use it as your study area or your dressing area. It could be anything as you wish. So this is the second bedroom. It looks really nice. So very light colors have been used for decorating this room. It looks really pleasant. And now it's time to look at the master bedroom in this 3 BHK flat. But before that, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we provide sample flat tour, actual location tour, the pros and cons, why you should invest in this project, and most importantly, the pricing details such as EMI and down payment. And we provide 360-degree virtual project tour. And now it's time to look at the master bedroom. Let's go. So this is the master bedroom, which is super spacious. Look at the bed area. The color combination are amazing, and on both the side of the bed you have some space, and this is the wardrobe with transparent door. It looks really fantastic. And here we have window for ventilation, as well as seating arrangement is done so you can enjoy your view from here. And also here you can see your dressing area is there, and a chair is provided. A sofa sitting is provided. It is really fantastic. And now it's time to look at the bathroom in this master bedroom. Let's go. So this is the bathroom. It has white and black combination. It looks really royal and grand. So this bathroom has anti-skid tiles with high-end sanitary equipments, and also a big mirror near the wash basin, and also a storage space. So yes, this is the bathroom in this master bedroom. It looks super amazing. And I hope you enjoyed this video. This was all about the 3 BHK flat called Oceanus White Meadows by the builder Oceanus. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the project or any feedback, you can mention it in the comment section below. And before you go, do not forget to like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Housey to know about such amazing videos. See you in the next video. Thank you and bye. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Oceanus White Meadows by the builder Oceanus.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.